Hi everyone, I am Megan, also known as Megzy the OG. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm going to be answering a few questions from Instagram and Twitter, and I'm also going to be showing you what I got in my Ipsy Glambag. Alright, so I'm going to start off with a few questions from Instagram and Twitter. Alright, so question number 1 was, do you ever want kids? And yes, I do. I want kids. I want anywhere from 2 to 3, and I want more boys than girls. I just prefer boys when they're little kids. Question number 2 is, what do you do for fun? And I like to do an assortment of things. I do various different arts and crafts. I like to shoot photography and videography. I like to go hiking. I love makeup, of course. I love playing with my dogs, and that's about it right now. I've mostly just been crafting and that kind of stuff. That's what I do for fun. So this question is, do you still blow glass? Which I'll answer that first. I would love to blow glass, but I haven't blown glass actively in about a year. I ended up getting really sick last year around this time and couldn't get out of bed, and that's whenever I quit blowing glass, and I just never got back into it. It's honestly just been my laziness, but I really do want to get back into blowing glass. So to answer it, I don't currently blow glass anymore, but I am gonna start blowing glass in my home studio again very soon. The next part of that question is, what were your favorite things about that art form? So I really actually like the fact that it is really tricky. It's difficult. You have to factor into so many different things. Whenever you're blowing glass, you have to factor in the oxygen, you have to factor in the propane, you have to think about how hot your flame is and the glass that you're melting. It's really interesting. So for me, I love creating things, but I also love just kind of learning about it, and like learning whenever you put your oxygen up this much, it's gonna do this. Whenever you put your propane up this much, it's gonna do this. This is how small your flame needs to be for this. This is how big your flame needs to be for this. So it's just really interesting. It's almost like a science, and I'm not that good at it, but I still really enjoy it, and that would probably be my favorite part. The next question is, what is your dream job? And that is kind of tricky. My dream job would probably be photographer. I really love photography, videography, but I really want to work in a lot of different fields, and I know that's really not possible, but I just love doing so many different things, from design to website design to photography to glass blowing to arts and crafts to just about anything. So I want to factor in all the different parts of my dream job into one. Anybody want to help? So I guess overall my dream job would be a photographer that travels and just does interesting different shoots every day. This is a multi-parter question. So age, I am 24 right now. My birthday is November 29th. That makes me a Sagittarius. Favorite color, I love green, purple, orange. I don't really have a favorite. It just kind of goes around with my mood, you know. Hobbies, I kind of listed those off earlier, so definitely hiking, hanging out with my animals, hanging out with my husband, makeup, art in general. Those are all part of my hobbies. Favorite food, I actually answered this on my stories this morning in like a little survey, and I put that it really depends on my mood, because it really does. Like this morning, whenever I read it, for some reason, I wanted to put lasagna, but that's not my favorite food. If I had to pick one favorite food that I had to eat every single day for the rest of my life, it'd probably be taco. Carne asada tacos on flour tortillas with onions, cilantro, and cheese dip. I think that's a pretty solid one. And last part is favorite type of music. That's also one of those things where like it's ever changing. If I had to choose a group that I had to listen to for the rest of my life, it would definitely be the Beatles. Love the Beatles. But I listen to everything on a day-to-day basis. I listen to a lot of rap. I listen to a lot of oldies, rock, alternative. I listen to some pop, but I don't really get into most mainstream like pop. Let's get into these other questions. And the last question for today is, do you get paid to model? No, I don't. I do it all for fun. Honestly, a lot of the times my husband photographs me or I shoot myself, just with like either a remote or with reaching my hand out like this and taking a selfie. So I don't get paid to model, but with that being said, I also get a lot of free products from brands. It could be clothing, accessories, makeup. I get a lot of free makeup. So I don't necessarily get paid, but I do get a lot of opportunities that a lot of people that don't quote unquote model, they don't get them usually, because it just shows that you're putting an effort out there if you like take these model-esque style photos, in my opinion. So yeah, I don't get paid, but I do it for fun and I do it for free products. All right, so that ended all my questions. So now let's fast forward to what is in here. What is in my Ipsy glam bag? This month we've got a cute little orange bag with a yellow tassel. It's almost like linen and leather. Really cute. It's definitely bright for the last month of summer. I'm gonna show you something that I've already seen because it was out of my bag. I guess it didn't fit. It is this brush. Look at that glitter. So, I don't know who makes this brush. I get a lot of Elizabeth Mott brushes from Ipsy, but this is not them. It could be a SL Miss Glam brush. That's probably what it is with the 2 rhinestones. A lot of the SL Miss Glam brushes have these rhinestones. But I'm really excited to use this. It's gonna be good for like, I imagine using this for translucent powder. I might be wrong. Correct me if I am, but I'm gonna use it for translucent powder until I figure out what it's actually for. So this is this month's postcard. It says selfie with no filter, and that is your confidence level. This is the August 2018 glam bag. Again, it is just the postcard. Next, I have a Hey Honey, Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. I get a lot of love from this company on Instagram whenever I post Ipsy reviews and things like that. I really like everything that I've received from them so far, so I can't wait to try this honey and copper mask. And I like the fact that it's a peel away mask. That's fun. Ooh, okay, so this is something from Pixie by Petra. It's real familiar packaging. So like I said, this product is from Pixie by Petra. This is the Fresh Face Blush in Beach Rose. Now I've got the Balm Foiled Again Foil Shadow. I really like their foil shadows. They have really good pigmentation. And this is the shade Locked Up. It's a really cool silvery tone. Let me see if I get a good swatch. So there is the best kind of swatch that I could do. I cannot wait to use this color. All right, and last is a Ciate product. This is the Glow 2 highlighter. I really love Ciate London. I get a lot of Ciate London also with my Ipsy glam bag, and they have great products. Ooh. This is a highlighter in the shade Moondust. I've been needing a new highlighter. So let me go ahead and swatch that as well. Yes, okay, so the top is the highlighter that I received and the bottom is the eyeshadow. So it's got a nice goldy pinkish sheen. All right, thanks again for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my Q&A and my Ipsy unboxing. I'm gonna be having more videos in the future, so if you like this one, then just subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And have a great day. Thanks for tuning in.